Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use Photoleap face edit. So first one is open the application. Now from here, just simply go ahead and select edit photo at the top, and now it will open up your gallery and just simply select a face photo. So guys, I will be using Kendrick Lamar as an example. So now here on the Photoleap application, you can add a layer, which is the first tool. You can add AI filters. From here, you could have a different option, which you could edit it out. And you will have here the preview as well. Now you will have a sky as well, which you could add a filter. And now from here, you should be able to add a sky on the background, which is very effective. Another one is a cut out, which you could cut out specific things. And the most important thing about the face edit is going for the adjust. So from here, you will have a brightness, exposure, contrast, and different options in order for you to edit it out. And here on the middle, guys, as you can see, you will have here the adjustment on each filter. And now you could go back on the top left corner and you can access the other editing tools. And now once you are done, you can just simply select save on the top right corner and you should be able to save it up. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching.